There's Owen. Go get him, John. He's ready to go. Oh, you're fine. There's Owen, fixing to go in the ring. Denton buckle competition.
Here, the young lady shooting up and we're here at off the 9 o'clock. This is lead side, moderation of the awareness, width, the brown wide coming out of Chevy. There's a whole really stout feature.
Got that brush in his back pocket. Like a real hit now. Alright, go get him, John. John's going to be the first one out of the gate in the heavyweight. Someone's going to come out of the chute. Oh, got a charger. Holy crap, that fool's got some hind legs on. Six pigs in John's class. The longer you stay in the ring, the better you are. There you go, John, right there. Hang in there, John. Hang in there, John. Stay away from John. Come on, John. Hang in there. Today, I want to really tighten that up with stretching him up. I think if we can get a little bit of condition on it, I think his body is here longer and get more track as we go along. We need to John.
class. I think these are the two hogs that present some width, present some muscle, some body to them. It gives a little more balance, and they kind of sort themselves up because of that. The Hampshire Barrow the young man's got here is one that's a wide fade, heavy muscle hog, big back hog. One that's you get out here on the go, I think it's level and it's made up and it gives you some design. He's a nice hog. Comes with some width, goes away with width. He's one of those that, I don't know, he's not quite as comfortable up on his front end maybe as what we'd like for him to be. But again, I think he brings a lot of heaviness and structure and muscle. I think he's awfully good there. The young man's hog out here is one of those that's very flexible either end. He's one that you get up on top of him. He's got some shape, he's got muscle there. He's a big old thick rump, thick-ended hog that as he gets out on the go, you like a lot of things about him. You like his bone, so I like that one there. I think he's more comfortable on his feet and legs than his counterpart. I like to change it when you get right behind him, and that he kind of wants to come together face a notch narrower than what he should in terms of coming out of his cabin. You like everything to come down and hit the ground and keep all that line straight. But I think he's good in terms of his length of body. He's about right there. He balances up pretty well. Of the two, I'm the most comfortable with him.
Yes. Way to go, John!
Woo! One that comes next is third. It's a little different type here. Another one that had a nice look, had good muscle. I thought it was good enough on her feet and legs to kind of fit the bill. It's a bit wider made, more powerfully constructed in order to move up any higher in the class. Same to be said for some of these others when we move down the line. Be a little bit more dirt apart, settle with the feet, legs, and around a little wider. Let's give a round of applause if you would.
Alright, John's coming out for best in class. Champ.
Good set here, and let's give a round of applause for our class winners in our Hampshire division. Good bunch, all look good. They've got good balance to them. I think they've got a good look to them. They've got muscle and width and bone and flexibility. Obviously, there's difference in varying degrees in each of those categories, but I think as we get them out here, you try to find the one that kind of just compiles the most positives as you look around. And again, you're talking about, today, I think there's one that probably suits you in terms of having enough condition, being wide, being balanced, being centered about right, doing it with some bone, doing it with a nice look. Congratulations on the show.
Oh, there we go. All right, John, reserve. This is for reserve. You're going for reserve. Get him out, John.
So we bring our second in again, a hog like the lighting class there, big volume, big bodied hog. It has muscle and has some squareness and some center to it. I think just does a lot of positive things. As we bring him in here compared to the others, again, I think you try to find the one that is most unique of the group. I think but still kind of stays toward the center of the road, keeping a look, keeping some balance and eye appeal. I think has a bright future. Young man here, big reserve there.
Yep. After he got reserve of class. Ah, dang. Crap. That's as quick as it goes. There's Owen in the trailer.
Is this mine? Hey, well, I left it.
No, that's mine.
Slowly. Slowly.
That's a, ooh, yeah.
Watch.
I'd chase you too if it smelled like vanilla. one.
Come on.
John dipped his stick in vanilla or something. Oh, there you go. Apparently they like that.